What does work is a set of practical moves. These are the steps that make your content easier to find, harder to ignore, and more likely to outrank whatever's sitting at the top right now. The harsh reality is that Google doesn't need another ultimate guide written by ChatGPT. And it's not just Google. Readers can smell generic content from a mile away. If your page says the same thing as the next 5 search results, then why would the reader stick around? Uniqueness is your edge. That doesn't mean inventing a completely new topic, it means finding a new angle, sharing something original, or just saying it better than everyone else. This is where AI content often falls short. It's technically fine, but it's honestly forgettable. So how can you stand out with your content? Well, run a quick check on what's already ranking. Tools like Surfer can show you what competitors are saying, and your job is to find the gap. And then just fill it with something that they can't fake. A quick case study, your personal take, screenshots of an actual tool in use, a small survey or data point that you pulled yourself. Even a few reader comments, if you've got them, go a long way. All of these things aren't hard to add, but they're the difference between a page that ranks and a page that gets shared. If you want help figuring out what to improve, Phrase can help pull a SWOT-style breakdown from any competitor's posts. Use it to see what's missing and then bring your own spark. Don't aim for perfection, aim for different, and that's what will stick. Even great content won't rank if it's not what Google's looking for. Relevance today means matching search intent so precisely that Google has no reason to choose anyone else. And the good news, you don't have to guess. Google your keyword, and if the top 5 results are blog posts, write a blog post. If they're product pages, make something commercial. Trying to force the wrong format is a guaranteed fail. But relevance goes deeper than the format itself. It's also about coverage. Are you including the right subtopics? Tools like Surfer, WriteSonic, Market Muse, and Article Fiesta scan top-ranking pages and show you which related terms and entities appear across the board. That saves you from the sin of keyword stuffing, so you're making sure your content hits the right talking points. This also makes outlining much easier. Instead of writing 4,000 words and hoping it's enough, you build a structure that matches what users actually want. And no, big word count isn't a ranking factor, but clarity and coverage absolutely is. So before you hit publish, ask, does this match the type of content Google is already showing? Have I covered the topics users expect to see? And have I added something new, not just rewritten what's already out there? And if it's a yes across the board, then you're in pretty good shape. Go after low competition keywords, especially ones where weak pages are already ranking. Tools like Low Fruits and Ubersuggest can help you find those gaps fast. As you start publishing more and pick up backlinks naturally, your domain gets stronger. And that's when you can start targeting those harder keywords. If you want to speed things up, tools like SEMrush can show you where your competitors are getting links. And services like Haro or Help a B2B Writer let you pitch yourself as a source to journalists in exchange for a backlink. You don't need 500 links, all you need is enough good ones to prove you're worth trusting. So build slowly, build smartly, and let your content earn its place over time. Content still ranks, but only if you do it right. Start with the right keyword, match the intent, bring something original, and build out topics that prove you know your space. Remember, quality matters, and so does authority, but there are no shortcuts to it. If you want to put this into action, pick one keyword, just one, and run through the steps that we covered today. Use the tools that we'll link to down in the description box to find real opportunities and avoid wasting time. And if this video was helpful to you, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the description box for more walkthroughs and tool breakdowns. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.